Welcome back. Well, here we are, ready to harvest. And hopefully, no more microphone issues. Hopefully. So, grass is coming up. I think let me have a look. Okay. What? Okay, no, because I get it here. Okay, so that's doing all right. Oh, up here the pH is horrendous. Down here is good. Okay, we still don't know what these silly lines are there for. So we'll figure it out one of these days. I'm sure it's probably something that we're gonna have to go on the grass, aren't we? So I don't think I can. Oh. And we'll figure out if we can go through here with the cutter like that, with the header like that. Yes, we can. What about over the bridge? Nope. Just destroyed the header, didn't I? Okay, so we'll just park you like this. Okay. And we'll just go in. Maybe I should have done that a bit further away from the bridge, so I don't smash into the bridge, but we'll figure out soon enough if we've done the wrong thing or the right thing. No, we'll be fine. We'll be fine. Okay, I'll park you right here. I haven't really looked at my timber production for a little while now, so maybe we need to look into it. I'll also show you what I've done in between this episode and last episode. Okay. Okay. Before I take it any further, let's have a look at it. Okay. Allow reverse, that's fine. Return, that's fine. Automatic card detached. Okay. Yes. Unload the first headland. Self-unload activated. Okay. So what I should have done, instead of come back here, is gone in there, create a job. What? I have no idea what just happened there. Okay, that's... Okay. I have no idea why that just happened like that. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna back you up over here. And we'll take it out this way. Oh, we're gonna be struggling. Come on, it's not that steep. I say, but it disagrees with me, obviously, because it is that steep. Okay, so what we'll do is I'll wait for him to get closer, and then we'll hire the worker, and he'll continue to do this. Alright, it's gonna jump over that little bit, but that's fine. Okay, okay, so we've got ourselves a bit of a dilemma over here. Now, I'm not going to deal with all of them. This is where I'm going to bring the forklift over to deal with them. So this is why we're going to, today, hopefully in this episode, we're going to get into a position where we will bring multiple changes to the map, and that is new ship, okay, let's back it up and deal with this the proper way. New ship enclosure, that is, of course. I think you kind of understood what I was saying. Okay. Well, don't bash up. Don't bash the bales up. We're gonna need them. And we're gonna trial. Okay, let's go back up. And actually, I'm gonna park you up there. After all, why do I keep bringing you down here? We're gonna need you up there more than we need you down here. So let's grab some grass. And okay, got ourselves a bit of a hill there, which is fine. Okay, and there we are. Gonna park them right here. Okay, taken care of. And get rid of you as well, might as well. Okay, done. How we go with water? So we got plenty of water. Still we got plenty of... so we'll get in here so we can go to the... Do I want you there? No. Do I need you there? No, but we are going to take you. Because we're going to need something to collect the bales. Okay, so we're gonna park you right here for now. No, I don't think I'm gonna take you. I think I'm gonna take you. Because I got a funny feeling that up that hill, this tractor's not gonna be strong enough for the baler. Okay, and this is probably the least painful way to do baling, and that is to follow the combine as much as we can. So we'll try and catch up with the combine and set it up to follow it, and that way we're not going to be running into any issues. Now, I did say that I was going to set up the what are you doing? I was going to set up from now on the combine not to bale, to actually chop the straw instead of putting it like this. But working it out with precision farming, it's actually not worth it, because you get so much money for the bales, and the cost to fertilize this field is, with precision farming, is insignificant compared with what you get for the bales. Okay, and I did say I was going to show you what I did as far as the setup is concerned, and I will show you that in a minute. For our new field, once we get rid of the cotton, we're going to have one massive field. And obviously, as we buy new land, which I have quite a bit of new land here, we can then diversitize and put other things in other products, other crops in, other than what we have on that one massive field. So looks like the combine has, it's waiting to be unloaded, I think. It doesn't sound right, does it? It just feels like it's not, hasn't traveled anywhere near as much as it should. I don't know, am I wrong? It doesn't feel like it should be already full. I mean, I'm not complaining. At the end of the day, you don't have access to this land. Of course I have access to this land. What are you talking about? So we'll make it 40. And I'll go and have a look what's happening with the combine. Oh yeah, I knew that. I'm not quite sure why it's doing what it's doing, but obviously something has spooked it. I wonder if it's the water. It just didn't seem real that it would already be filled up. Okay, so let's go get you. Come on, buddy, you need to be ahead of the combine because the combine's gonna come, and I'm pretty sure we have some bales dropped over here somewhere. Okay, no, it should be fine. I thought we have some bale before it gets to the point where it started, but we do not. Okay, so we're catching up, that's fine. So I'll pick up all these bales now since we're here anyway. Okay, and this is how we will deal with the bales. We'll just collect them as we go along. It tells me that I don't have access to this bit, which is ridiculous. Six. Okay, I think it's probably that hill that's causing the issues. Okay, there you are. And there you are. That should make it a lot easier for me to deal with bales in the near future. Okay, so actually, you know what? We're not gonna use. I'm gonna use this, and that's probably the easiest way to show you what we've done, what I've done. So we got our grass field, as you know. So I've come in here and I've chopped a lot of these trees down. I'll show you what happened to the trees. And I've chopped all of these down. So we're going to extend this field into here, like this. And then we'll have this massive field over here. Obviously, while I was mucking around with the terrain and all that sort of stuff, I deleted some of the crop for cotton, but that's fine, not an issue at all. So we're gonna have the field coming into here. We're gonna extend it into here like this. I'm gonna get rid of these two posts, obviously. Now this bit over here, I haven't decided what I'm gonna do with it. I'm either gonna put other production things on, or we're just gonna leave it as it is. So I haven't yet made a decision. This here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Animals, sheep. So you got these ones, 30 sheep, 60, 120. I don't have any others that does milk, do I? which is a bit sad because I would have really preferred to use something that has a lot more capacity. What? Where is my... But that's the only ones that I have. See, this I would have loved to do here, but I don't have. I don't have the... I hate the way it shows it to you, so you can't really see what's going on. Okay, so I'm gonna park it about there, and then I'm gonna get the milk one, which is here. Let's have a look. Maybe I'll put it this way, or maybe this way. Yeah, I think we'll just pop it over here. Hang on, do I need access? Yes, I do need access on that side. No, no. So I'm gonna need to maybe be about here. Okay. So this way, what I want to have a look. I know I own a lot of this land over here. I just want to see how far did my fence come through. Till about here. Okay. Which is fine. I don't mind the fact that there's some trees and all that in the way. Plenty of space for the sheep to come through. Plenty of space for them to do whatever they need to do. Okay, so I'm going to trial these ones with goats. Where's the goats? Young goats. See, here says requires water. Goats are... We saw goat's milk is ideal for making goat's cheese. So I want to see... Okay, so we'll buy this. And we'll get a male, but obviously not 60. 2 will do. Okay, guys. We'll get a couple of those as well. And we'll buy 5 of those as well. Okay. The only downside now is that I'm going to have to now go and get some bales. Okay, where do they take water? It says that they need water. I am not familiar with where the milk is. Okay, we got the goats. Is there a thing for them? Let's have a look. Sheep. Place to keep dairy sheep. Don't tell me about the dairy sheep. I'm not interested in the dairy sheep. Okay, so I'm assuming that means that it takes milk. Now, am I supposed to put something with them so they do collect the milk? Production. Do I have anything production for milk? Okay, so I have the sheep cheese factory. Okay. So obviously I could, which side is the one that's needed? This one. So I could put it over here. Okay, well, we'll just do that. Okay, so as far as I know, you don't need anything else. As far as I know. So we'll figure it out as we go along. Okay, we got ourselves a bit of it, that's fine. Okay. Let's get to it. No, definitely not goats. Where are we? Female. Select. So we'll buy. Select. No, 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 no. Don't sell. What do you mean sell? Back. And we'll get a. Where's the male? We'll just buy them. Okay. Okay. I didn't need to do that. So we spent quite a big chunk of our money, but a huge. Oh, let's have a look at the sheep running through the bush. Yeah, I think you've got to say that this is fantastic. Beautiful. I like this. I should have done it like that on the other one. Left some trees for them too. Now, let's have a look in here. Are they grazing? Okay, this one I have food. This one is the goats. I don't have food. And this one is I don't have food. So this one needs water. Oh, look at this. I've got sheep's milk. Okay, so this one is producing milk. Okay, so let's get into the truck over here. Oh, why aren't you? Is it because I got the flight mode on? Okay. Let's go and get some hay. Get a couple of hay bales from down here. Bring them up and see what happens, eh? Now, I realize that I am doing harvesting and I'm not really showing a lot of it, but you've seen me do harvesting so often, it's not fun. So this would be a new direction for our farm. So, okay. Let's just tap that bell up. There you are. It fell down. Beautiful. Now you can see why all of a sudden grass is going to become a very, very, very crucial thing for our farm. And this is why we're going to need to start getting some sort of production going for hay as well. I'm not sure if... I don't actually think that they get better with hay versus... so what do we have? Left shift I think. Okay, now I'm going to have to do it like this for now. So we're gonna feed them all 4 of them. Okay. And we'll go over here. And feed them. Uh-oh. Is it because it's full or they're not far enough? Now we're still going to be harvesting this grass that is left over here. We're just going to pretend that, you know, we can drive on it and so on and so on. Alright, so let's get you back down here. slow down, slow down. Whoa, what's going on? Is that truck causing me issues and I'm not even realizing it? Okay, so we've got ourselves some clothing that's being manufactured. So as you can see, you know, I can just spend, if you're going to put a crop in, it's probably the best choice. If you're going to put a crop in, the best crop to put in is no doubt the beans, soybeans. There's no doubt that they're by far the more, you make more money out of them than anything else. Okay, we'll let him unload. I don't think this should be a problem. Where did I leave? Oh, there we are. So this is going to be an episode that I kind of do a little bit of everything. Set everything up. Whoa. Had a bit of a lag and boom. Just jumped all over the place. I should have colored this trailer green since I've got my... I like these automatic trailers, load trailers, that I don't have to keep pressing buttons for it to unload, that it just unloads as soon as you get loads, sorry, not unloads, as soon as I get to next to the bale or pallet or whatever it is. Realistic? Not really. I realize that. And I realize that some of you will say, yeah, but that's not really the real way to do it and so on. And you know, I'm not saying that you're not right. It's just, yeah, quicker that way and more in tune with the game, in my opinion. Because obviously, for you to do it the way intended to be done, you'd have to probably play this game on multiple days instead of just the 1 day per month. So it's bringing out the bales very quickly, isn't it? Okay. Yeah, looks like it's... I don't need you. So this guy's really struggling with the mountainy bit up here. I mean, it is steep, no doubt about it, but you'd think that he should be a-okay with it. Okay. So now he's catching speed. What is the price of soybeans at the moment? Has it gone 3.2, 3.6? So it is going down, but not humongously, that's for sure. All right, I think I'll leave this episode here. Thank you very much for spending some time with me. Hopefully you're enjoying the direction that our farm is taking. And until next time, have a wonderful day wherever you are around the world. God bless you and your family. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.